Rhodes Scholarship at Oxford University 2021 for international students. Applications are invited to apply for the Rhodes Scholarship at Oxford University 2021 in United Kingdom. Rhodes Scholarship is available for almost 22 countries. Oxford University Rhodes Scholarship is for to pursue postgraduate degree from UK. This is the golden opportunity for international students to study on fully funded scholarship at Oxford University. I'm your host Kanza Ali and once again welcome you to my channel Fun and Facts Hub. The major discussion points are brief introduction of university, scholarship benefits, eligibility criteria, selection criteria, application deadline, how to apply. Kindly watch the video till end. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button. Without wasting the time, let us start discussion. Every year, more than 100 students are selected for Rhodes Scholarship. You can apply for any academic field and major offered in the university. The Rhodes Scholarship is the oldest, first awarded in 1902 and perhaps the most prestigious international scholarship program, enabling outstanding young people from around the world to study at the University of Oxford. The Rhodes Scholarship supports exceptional young people for postgraduate study at the University of Oxford and actively fosters lifelong learning and fellowship. The University of Oxford is a collegiate research university in Oxford, England. Oxford is regularly ranked within the top 5 universities in the world and is currently ranked first in the world in the Times Higher Education World University Rankings, as well as the Forbes World University Ranking. According to the QS World University Rankings by subject, the University of Oxford also ranks as number 1 in the world. Rhodes Scholarship at Oxford University 2021 details. University, Oxford University. Degree level, postgraduate. Scholarship coverage, fully funded. Eligible nationality, international. Award country, United Kingdom. Last date to apply, August 2020. Various for each country. Financial benefits. Rhodes Scholarship at Oxford University 2021 in UK is a fully funded award which will cover all necessary expenses to pursue a postgraduate degree at Oxford University. The Rhodes Scholarship will cover following: all university and college fees, the university application fees, a living stipend, 15,144 pounds per year, one economy class airfare to Oxford at the start of scholarship, and one economy flight back to students' home country at the conclusion of the scholarship. The tenure of the scholarship is 2 years, subject always to satisfactory academic performance and personal conduct. Subject to an application process, the scholarship may be extended for a 3rd year for those who take recognized route to PhD. List of eligible countries for Rhodes Scholarship: Australia, Bermuda, Canada, China, East Africa, Germany, Hong Kong, India, Israel, Kenya, Malaysia, New Zealand, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Africa, Syria, Jordan, United Arab Emirates, United States, West Africa, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Eligibility criteria: only students belong to above country list are eligible for Rhodes Scholarship. Scholarship with nationality other than above countries are eligible for Global Scholarship, which will likely to be most competitive scholarship offered by the Rhodes Trust. Age: up to 1st October 2020, you must meet following criteria. You must be at least 18 or not have reached your 24th birthday. That is, you must have been born after 1st October 1996 or on or before 1st October 2002. Or for older candidates who completed their first undergraduate degree later than usual. you must have not reached your 27th birthday, that is, have been born after 1st October 1993, and you have met or will met the requirements for completion of your first degree on or after 1st October 2019. You must have completed or will complete by July 2021 an undergraduate degree with first class or a minimum GPA of 3.70 out of 4 or equivalent. Kindly keep in mind the requirements of your chosen countries at Oxford, which may be higher still. Successful candidates typically feature within the top few rank of their graduating classes. You must have a sufficiently high standard of English to meet the English language proficiency requirement at a high level listed of University of Oxford. Application deadline. The last date to apply for Rhodes scholarship is different for every country. For Pakistani students, it's 1st August 2020. You can visit link given in the description section and select your country to check deadline of your country. How to apply? There is an online application system to apply for Rhodes scholarship at Oxford University 2021. Visit the link given below in the description section to apply. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any query, kindly comment it in the comment section and like the video.